Welcome to another episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Ife West. If this is your first time on this channel, you're highly welcome. This is a place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstitions, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I am going to be talking about the use of the legendary Palo Santo incense in our African spirituality. This is quite a popular incense in Latin America, and its uses are very immense, and is a very good incense that you can use for your spiritual work, not only for spiritual activities, but also for medical activities. It is something that is very popular and also very powerful, and I want you guys to know about it today so that you can start using it. This is an insect that is derived or gotten from a tree. The botanical name for this Palo Santo is Bursera Graveolens, and the name Palo Santo means holy stick. It is a Spanish name. So this is an insect that is native to South America, the Venezuela and Peruvian, Mexico, Aztec, and Red Indians, Native Americans. This is one of their main insects that they use in that continent, and it's something that have now gone further to every part of the world now. It is popular in Asia, and it's also popular in Africa. The tree is a very powerful tree. The insect is made from the wood. It is gotten from this tree. You cut the wood and dry it and you burn it. The tree is the insect stick. So that tree is a highly sought after tree, and is a tree that is widely used all over the world now for spiritual work and also medical work. So you can see that these are the sticks of the Palo Santo. In the Mexican Aztec culture, they use Palo Santo a lot. They use it a lot in Latin America. It is their number one insect. Also in America as well, people use it a lot, and for very good reasons. The Palo Santo insect sticks have lots of medical benefits and also spiritual benefits. It is a natural remedy for the treatment of colds and flu. They have a Palo Santo ointment. They have the insects. If you're having cold, you're having flu, you just burn the insect. It works very well. They also use it in the for relieving stress and asthma. People that have asthma that don't like smoke. Palo Santo is something that is soft to asthmatic patients. Palo Santo helps them a lot. So it works well for solving the problems of asthma, and Palo Santo reduces inflammations in the body. Then it relieves headache. It is used to relieve anxiety and depression, and Palo Santo also is used to inspire creativity. Then it also repels mosquitoes. So if you're having issue of mosquitoes or insects in your house, you need to be burning Palo Santo insect sticks in your house as well. It is very good for reducing the amount of mosquitoes in your house. So this is a natural mosquito coil that you are seeing here that is organic. It is 100% good for the body, and it also chases out mosquitoes from your house. So if you want some kind of a mosquito coil that is organic, you be using Palo Santo for that kind of thing. Okay, then it's used to cleanse the environment. Then on the spiritual side of things, it dispels negative entities. It is used to clear the space. Then it's used for purification. If you want to purify your house, purify your space, you burn Palo Santo incense. It is used for relaxing the mind for meditation, and also for study. You can light it in your house. It does so many things. It is also used to fight against certain types of cancer. So Palo Santo is an insect that is very powerful, and you can use it for a lot of things. Okay, people use it for joints and muscle pain reliever. People use it to affect the nervous system. People use it for a lot of things, for increasing blood flow, fighting migraine. So Palo Santo incense is a very nice incense, and it's something that you should add to your arsenal. Okay, when you're practicing spirituality, it is something that you should not overlook. It is very very useful, and it works for a variety of things. Okay, so Palo Santo has become quite popular in the spiritual world. When you talk about insects, Palo Santo comes top of the line. You talk about frankincense, dragon's blood, uh, talk about Palo Santo, you talk about 999 insects, you talk about my there are different kind of insects that we can use for different type of things. So Palo Santo is one of the best insects out there, and you can find that this insect will help you a lot in your spiritual work. Okay, so if you want to be cleansing your space, you want to be meditating, you want to have just to feel lively. You want to have that vibrant, lively, energetic atmosphere in your house. You need to be using Palo Santo incense sticks. Okay, they are not expensive. They are easily accessible. You can get them online. You can get them in almost every part of the world. So it's something that is good for a lot of spiritual work, and the medical benefits are also immense as well. So there's a lot of things you can do with this insect. It is a multi-purpose. It's a multi-purpose insect. Okay, if you are not interested in spiritual work, you can also use it for medical activities as well. So Palo Santo is something that is very very useful to us at this time. So I want you guys to buy it, check it out, and also tell me what you think about it as well. Okay, so this is what I have for you today. Questions and comments are always welcome. Please like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel. If you are interested in learning more about African spirituality, you can register on my website www.kindoki.net. There I can be able to teach you African spirituality. You can learn a lot about African spirituality from many parts of the world. And if you want to know more about the scientific validity of African spirituality, you can also buy my book as well. You're going to get a lot of facts and evidence in that book. Then, if you want to do your spells, you know how to find me. Apart from that, I'll be seeing you in the next video. I wish you a very, very wonderful day. Okay, so take care. Have a great time. Peace.